Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created these beautiful notebooks that you guys can gift to anyone for Valentine's Day, your loved ones, just anyone. Alright guys, so how I made these was so simple guys. I used the mini composition books in Dollar Tree. They sell 3 for $1. And all I'm going to do is adhere paper and ribbon to these guys. So with this first one, I'm using that red line tape. I cut a piece of pretty lace ribbon and I put the ribbon first and then I put my paper. I used the bone folder to really rub it down and get a really nice smooth finish and bond between the adhesive and the paper. And all I'm gonna do is cut away all the excess. That is it. Do the same thing to both sides guys, and all you have to do is embellish after that. Now with the second one, I got tired of that tape guys. It was so annoying. You guys know I'm impatient, and I just grabbed an Elmer's glue stick guys, and it was the bomb. I really suggest that you guys use a glue stick, preferably Elmer's, because I don't know about any other glue sticks, but this worked amazingly. Now with the second one, I forgot to adhere my ribbon to under the paper, so I actually used a little bit of hot glue and I glued it to the top of the paper, and it worked just fine. So it really is just what your preference is. I personally think that the ribbon looks better underneath, but once again, it's whatever your preference is. And yeah, just make sure you guys use like an old credit card if you don't have a bone folder or something, and just really rub that adhesive and that paper really well to get any air bubbles out or whatnot. I wouldn't really suggest using wet glue guys. And another good thing about the Elmer's glue stick is that you can kind of manipulate it. With the tape, you got to kind of like pull it off, and if you used it before, you know what I'm talking about. But with the glue stick, you can kind of manipulate it a little more. If you got it too far to the right, you can pull it to the left and whatnot. So I really suggest you use the glue stick. The wet glue, you might get a lot of like air bubbles and warping and all that. If that's all that you have, make sure you don't put too much and you just get it evenly on there. You really use either a old credit card or a bone folder to really crease it down really well. And actually on the second one, I made a pocket in the inside. All I did was cut a rectangle out and I glued the 3 sides. Make sure you guys do not glue the top part, because obviously you want to have it open to stick things in. And that is it for these little notebooks guys. All I'm doing now is embellishing them, and I kind of struggle with embellishing. I suggest that you guys go in your stash, grab whatever stickers you have, confetti, all your little knickknacks and all that, and just go to town. Like, decorate it however you like. Grab your foam stickers. I think that it looks really nice if you guys put foam stickers under there to like kind of pop it up and give it dimension. It looks beautiful. And as you can see here, I'm adding gems. So these are the gems from the Dollar Tree guys. They come in those strips and they're like stickies. They're stickers. Now I suggest that you guys use glue. You don't have to glue every single one of the gems. I suggest that you just glue the 2 of the top ones, 2 of the bottom ones maybe, just because sometimes that adhesive is crap from Dollar Tree. And you don't want to gift this to someone and your rhinestones fall out. That'll be kind of embarrassing, you know. But yeah, so I'm just playing with my ephemera, as you can see here, playing with my stickers and all that, and trying to get the look that I'm looking for. And guys, this was so much fun, and I love the way that these came out. I think that they're so beautiful guys. I think that anyone would appreciate getting one of these. These are awesome to give. The person that you give it to, they're just gonna feel so special that you took the time out to make it for them. And yeah, I just really wanted to get this video out to you guys, just in case you're looking for any last minute gifts to give out or whatnot. Excuse me. But yeah, I just really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Happy Valentine's Day to you guys. If you don't hear from me, I just want to tell you guys that I hope that your day is filled with love and joy. Let me know what you guys think about this DIY. Comment below. Make sure that you share this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and comment and let me know which one is your favorite. These are some other ones that I had made also. And I'll catch you guys next time. I love you guys. Bye.